today. About to work on this 2012 Maxima. About to do cabin filter. Should be easy, man. Sometimes you gotta go behind the glove box and shit, but this car, you gotta go under the glove box. All you gotta do is take off the cap and just slide a new one in. It's difficult-ish. I did a couple times in these cars, and it wasn't that bad. Start this shit. All you will need is your new cabin filter and your damn hands. That's all you need. No tools. First things first, we're gonna remove this trim that's right here in front of this middle console right here. So pull it off, bare hands. Easy. Now, let me show you where it's at. This is where the cabin filter is on this car. You see this shit right here? You see this right here? So let's do this again. Let's reverse. You see right under here. You see that? Bam. You see this clip right here? You gotta push on. This is it right here. This whole thing right here. I don't know why they put it there. Shit weird. Most cars will be behind the glove box. Sometimes you don't even have to remove the glove box. You just put it down, take off this thing that is right here. Take it off, put it in, and that's it. Be on your way. But this, you gotta go under here. You know, if you're big, good luck getting this shit. But if you're skinny like me, you will reach this easier and faster. All right, now what you gotta do is push on this like that, pull on it, and it comes down. See this? This is it. This is the cover. Now, hopefully this one's not that dirty, but I'm pretty sure it's dirty because most people don't even know about this shit. This cabin filter behind here. They be like, what? What is that? Then I showed them. They're like, holy shit. I never, ever knew about that. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm trying to pick in there, try to find a good way to take it out. You could use a flathead if you want, but sometimes I use my finger and it comes out. Let's see. I'm gonna try to use two hands. Up, never mind. Up. There you go. Just like that. See? Oh, shit. Look at this. It is brown. It's fucking brown. Look at that. Pull on it. Pull. Okay. Damn. Just like that. See, sometimes it rips. See, mine just ripped. Look at that. Pull on it. Just like that. Alright. I just took it out. Look at it. See how brown it is? And look what came out of the damn. Look at this. Look. This is what you're breathing. While you in the car, opening your mouth, yawning and shit. This thing's going in your mouth while you're yawning. Look at that. Look at this. They never change. Oh, look at that. Oh Lord Jesus. Look at that. She's dirty now. I just put this in too. These are new WeatherTech mats. And look, it's all over dirty. Compared to the new one that is right here. Look at the big difference. Look at the difference. See how white this one is compared to this one? Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? Look at that shit. Sheesh. Okay, you could clean in there because I know there's a lot of leaves. Look, still more in there. I can feel my finger. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit. Oh man, this shit dirty. You could go in there with a vacuum tip in there and see if you can vacuum in there if it could fit. But I'm gonna use my finger, get as much as I can to clean it a bit. Can't reach all the way in there with my finger, but I can reach most of it. Most of the stuff. Okay, I'm Once you get as much as you can out of there, use your finger if you use your finger. But if you use a vacuum tip that could fit in there, suck everything out. I don't have one, but I took as much as I can out, so you can fit the other one, the new one in. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's nasty. Look at that. Sheesh. This was going in your mouth while you're yawning in the car, talking, all that. Sleeping in the car. This is in your mouth while the blower going. But alright, let's put the new one in. This is how it came out, so you gotta put it like this. You know what I'm saying? It's like this. See? Just like that. Just like that. So we're gonna bend it a little. Gonna try to bend it to put it in there. It's gonna be difficult part. I'm gonna need 2 hands for that. I'm gonna try to bend it like this to fit it in there, because that thing is, you know, a little tight. So I'm gonna bend it like this and fit it in first. Let's do that. Soon you bend it in there, it should slide right in, just like this. Just like mine. Slide in there. Okay. Sure it's in. Bend that shit down. Okay. All right. Now it's in. You see that? It is in there. A little difficult to go in there, but it's in there. Now, let's get the cap. Top right here. This is the thing that goes on it. Now, put it up first. Up. Slide it up. Then let's snap in there. So when they snap in there, should be good. Okay. Now I'm gonna vacuum this thing up because this shit nasty. Make sure it's in. Make sure you pull on it. Make sure it don't pop out while you pull on it. It's snapped in there, and that's it, man. You're done. If you don't have a mess. If you have a mess, vacuum that up, man. Clean it up. Don't forget to put your trim back on there. Goes like this. Easy. Just stick like that. Just push on it. Put a snap on there. Just like that. But after you vacuum this shit, I'm gonna take mine off again to vacuum, and then put it back. I'm just showing you for the video that you have to put this back on there after you're done cleaning here. And that was it. You saw how dirty that shit was. Most people don't even know you have to change those stuff. Well, the cabin filter. But you see how dirty that thing was. Shit was dirty. You was breathing that. While you yawning, shit go in your mouth. But that is it, man. If you have any questions, already know. Comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics. And don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Until next time. Later.